someone clean your room, please?
That's a kill. Yes.
You have to clean your room, Charles.
Later, Mom.
Now, stop the game. You have to clean your room now, okay?
I'm gonna run away.
What? Don't you dare! Oh, come on, Charles. You have to listen to me. I'm your mom. No, don't just. No, listen to me, and you go home directly. Where is he? Now you go on with me. What are you doing? What? No!
What the fuck? You're parkour, Mom.
I know. There you go!
Hey, Mom.
What
Try
are
to
you
catch me.
serious? I'm coming.
Come on, come on.
I'm coming.
Faster, Mom. Come on.
Not long. Okay, I'm coming. What are you doing?
No.
No. Are you calm now? If I catch you,
No,
I
Mom.
promise I'll kill you. Go home now. You understand me? You have to come now, and if I catch you, where is he? Now, come on, I'm a bad boy, okay?
She's so
Get
strong.
out. Get out. Oh my God.
Not gonna clean my bedroom.
Where are you? I'm going to fight you, I promise. Okay.
No, Mom.
Get out.
Please.
Okay, that's enough. No video game for 3 weeks.
Jeez, it's always the same with her. No video game is the ultimate punishment. Okay guys, if you want me to take revenge, press that like button and be sure to subscribe to see it. And now, I have to clean up my entire bedroom.